Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to ask recommendation with your previous company managers, trainer, or operations manager, and even you can ask with your ex-colleagues as well, who are in a senior level designation or who are more than 4 to 5 years of experience. You can try to ask them, and I'm in front of my LinkedIn account. So here just going to my recommendation thing, so here you will be able to see who has viewed your profile and what are the views on your post and search appearances. So if you wanted to know more information, just click this, you will get an idea. So, and coming to the recommendation part, go to your dead end of your LinkedIn profile below your skills column. So here, even in the skills, I just feel telling you one thing. So in case if you want to give a, you can even endorse skills to people based on HR or whatever skills they have updated. You can even give a recommendation if they are worth for it. So here if you are able to see, it's a recommendation column. So currently I have received 34 recommendation from my known people and my previous company colleagues or my candidates, everyone. So click here, ask for a recommendation. So once you click here, ask for a recommendation, so you need to type a name. Who do you want to ask? So I'm just selecting a random name here. For example, this person in who is in my account. So try to click this person, and once you, it will ask a question, how do you know this person? So select the option like whether you know how you know this person. So these are the options which you can mention, whichever which is relevant. And unless you know that person personally, try to give a recommendation link. So I'm just selecting one option. For example, um, yeah, maybe I'll just select casually one relationship column, and here just here one more column is there which is position or at the time. So try to select the option like in which company you know this person, and then once you click, it will go to, you can click the column next. So there you can you one link will go to them. So the link will go directly to their LinkedIn chat. For example, so there, for example, this person have given a recommendation about me, Shashank. So I'm going to his LinkedIn profile chat. So here if you are able to see, I have actually given a LinkedIn uh, recommendation link. Like for example, here I have mentioned here, could you please write me a recommendation for your profile? So once you click that next, it your one message will go, and the concerned person will give you a recommendation in this particular link. Once they give, you will get one more sent you a recommendation link kind of. And once you give a link, then you need to click that link and approve it. So this is how you try to so and then this automatically gets into your page. Like here it will get settled. So you can give recommendation by going by asking here. Like you can either you can ask in that particular page, you can ask directly when you go to their profile. As for example, if I want to give a recommendation to some other person, just type their name. So go to their profile, and here as he is my candidate, so try to go here and try to give a recommendation like recommend a person. So here you can get a idea. So previously I have showed it in my page, so here it's I'm showing it in his page. So you need to mention whatever things here, and you can give it based on the recommendation list. Hope this video helps. So try to ask a recommendation, and recommendation in your profile really helps, where you will get to know about that person. And a profile which is a complete profile makes you visible. Like you will get to know about that particular person clearly. And there are huge number of recommendation you can ask whomever people you know or met or something like that. And this LinkedIn ID, whatever it's there, try to add it in your resume below your name. So below your name, try to add your LinkedIn link, and even in your signature format while drafting a email. So you can there also you can try to update your LinkedIn ID, and this really helps when you're looking for job. And if you have any RNR certificates or anything, you can even upload it in your LinkedIn profile, so that it would even give you a additional preference. And one update, if anyone is having a connections more than 30,000 or 29,500 or 800, they won't be able to give or accept request just like that. So it is very tricky to accept request. So as I've already told in the last chat, try to give me a request in this account in case if you want to have a communication with me on LinkedIn chat. So try to read this clearly so that you will get a clear picture about myself. Hope this video helps about recommendation in LinkedIn. And if any more information related to LinkedIn or job search, I'll try to upload it. Thank you everyone. Be safe.